Welcome. In front of me is an iPad from 2021, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into recovery mode. Now you will need a cable and a computer. That's kind of why I'm recording this with a computer. And if you're using Windows, just get iTunes, and if you're using Mac, you don't need to get anything. Now anyway, let's plug it in. Go. And once it's plugged in, we're going to select power off, so hold the power key and power it off. And once that has happened, you want to hold the power key and home button. So once I let go, it will start turning off. Give it a second, you'll see the screen turn off. There we go. And hold power key and home button for about 10 seconds. And let go of the power, but keep holding home button. And there we go. We are now in the recovery mode. So you can differentiate recovery mode and the DFU mode based on the fact that you do have on the recovery mode this laptop icon and cable. And well, I would say iTunes shows this mode correctly, but I don't think iTunes really ever knows what mode the device is in as long as it's just not simply turned on. So anyway, and here it shows recovery mode, and here you will see this image right here. So that is how you boot it into recovery mode, and to boot it out of it, simply hold the power key and the screen should turn off after a couple of seconds. There we go. Let go. And as you can see, it turns back on by itself. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.